So the first type of campaign we want to talk about with you guys is the click campaign, going after the click. And this is exactly what it sounds like. It means that with your ad, your entire focus is about just getting the click on your ad, as opposed to maybe getting a like or getting a comment with sponsored stories, but we'll get into that. So this campaign is the click campaign, and it is about going all out just to get someone to click on your ad. So the click campaign starts right here. This is the ad creation tool, and it starts with choosing what destination you want to run your ads to. What you can do here is choose a bunch of different things to promote. You can promote a fan page, an application if you've built an application on Facebook, a Facebook event, or any external URL. And by any external URL, all I mean is anything out there on the web. And so what we always choose to do is promote a fan page, but we're going to do that through the external URL, and we'll show you exactly why we do that here in just a second. So I could either choose to promote Train Baseball the page, or I can go over to Train Baseball, and here's a custom tab we built on Train Baseball, and we know that this is a really simple converting squeeze page that gets us leads. And so all I'm going to do is come up here to the top and grab the URL for this custom tab, and come back here, and I'm going to input it right into this destination URL. So now you can see what I mean by I am promoting my fan page by using an external URL. And the reason we do that is because if you choose just to promote your page, you are not going to be able to choose the headline you want for your ad. And so I want to be able to choose this headline, so I'm going to actually choose to promote a destination URL, but grab the URL for my free custom tab because I want to drive users to a landing page that I've customized that is going to get them to take an action that I want. So let me show you what I mean. If I had not chosen to choose this destination URL and I wanted to just promote Train Baseball the page, I would promote Train Baseball the page, and I would say, hey, Train Baseball, and I'm going to promote a new ad about Train Baseball, and here's my ad. I would be able to select a different image, but what I won't be able to do is this headline right here is set. It is set as the name of your fan page. And so what we like to do is keep the added benefit of keeping your traffic inside of Facebook, just because people are a little bit more used to it. If they stay inside of Facebook, they're going to keep seeing the Facebook logo at the top left, and we found that the conversions are better if you do choose to promote a custom tab inside of Facebook. So with the headline and text, you want to be very, very short. So I said something like need hitting drills with a question mark, and the text says click here now to get professional level hitting drills. And this is really just a quick example. What you want to do here is make sure that you're making some kind of an awesome promise that matches up with what your audience is looking to solve, their biggest problems, their biggest desires, solutions, anything like that. And you want to be as short and succinct here as you possibly can. And then obviously I would upload an image from my computer, something kind of nice and catchy with the image. And then down here at the bottom, this small checkbox next to related page says show social activity about your page next to my ad. And so if you watch over there on the right, what my ad preview does, when I uncheck this checkbox, is you're going to see that Scott Moran likes Train Baseball thing disappear. And so we actually always recommend clicking that small checkbox, because what that's going to do is if any one of these people's friends likes your page or is involved with your page, it is going to show that to the person looking at your ad. And so it's almost like getting a personalized recommendation from your fans. Completely legally, completely for free, but you get that kind of social proof element just by clicking this small checkbox, and you have gotten some great results by using this small checkbox right here. And so as you can see, what we're creating here is a really simple ad. There's not a whole lot to this. This doesn't take professional copywriting or anything like that. But the whole point of the ad is nothing but the click. And so we'll show you kind of in some of the later videos here how some of the other forms of advertising have likes and comments and even shares kind of built into them. But this one is all about the click. It is all about driving traffic to a page or that you know is set up to collect leads for you. So this page right here, a lot of people talk about, well, you know, my conversions aren't that good off Facebook ads. I'm not getting a lot of subscribers, or I'm not getting a lot of phone calls or consultations, whatever it is. Then this is where you need to go. Creating those ads is actually kind of simple and powerful once you know the kind of techniques that work, which we've shown you guys here. We'll continue to show you over the course of this whole thing. But right here, this is what is called your offer. So our offer here is grab this free hitting chart and get the edge on every single pitch in exchange for an email. And we know, we've tested a whole bunch of stuff, and we know that this free hitting chart idea, this offer, is something that definitely collects leads, and very qualified leads. You guys need to be challenging yourselves to deliver something on this page wherever you're driving your traffic that is good enough to get people to put in their email address, or get people to call in for a free consultation, or get people to grab a free coupon and come into your restaurant or your local business. Oftentimes, if you are not getting the amount of leads that you'd like, it is this offer right here that you can switch and instantly get the biggest improvements. And to give you kind of a benchmark, we always shoot for 20% opt-in rate. An opt-in rate basically means that the number of people who, for us, give us their email as relative to the number of people we drive to this page. So if we drive 100 clicks to this page, we want 20 emails, 20 new leads. And so that should be kind of a benchmark for you guys to shoot for. If you're not getting that, then this is where you can come. This page right here, wherever you're driving your traffic, tweak this offer, tweak the copy, tweak whatever you're offering, and that is the quickest way to get a bump in the amount of leads. Well, we're teaching you guys how to drive the world's most targeted traffic. And so this is always the really fun, awesome challenge as marketers of crafting something here that is going to be enough value to grab people's attention and to collect them as a lead. So that really wraps it up for the click campaign. It's a simple process, but it really, just every single step we want to be devoted to just getting the click. Getting the click, knowing that whatever page we're driving them to is going to do the rest of the work for us. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next module.